What's up, future millionaires? It's Alex here, back with another mind-blowing episode of Wealth Walk. Today, we're about to unlock a secret that's so simple yet so powerful, it might just change your life. Imagine this. You're chilling on your phone, maybe in between classes or during your lunch break, and with just one tap, you've earned $5. Sounds too good to be true, right? In this video, I'm about to show you how to make that dream a reality. We're talking about a method so easy, you could be making money while waiting for your pizza to arrive. No joke. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legit strategy that's helping teens and young adults just like you pad their wallets every single day. And the best part? You don't need any special skills. You don't need to be a tech genius. And you definitely don't need your parents' credit card. All you need is your smartphone or computer, an internet connection, and the next few minutes of your time. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be kicking yourself for not knowing about this sooner. So, are you ready to turn your screen time into cold, hard cash? Let's get this money train rolling. But before we dive in, do your future self a favor and smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell too, because we drop money-making gems like this all the time. You don't want to miss out on the next big opportunity, do you? Alright, let's get into it. The golden opportunity, gaming and cash. Alright, young money makers. Let's talk about two things you probably love, gaming and making money. What if I told you there's a way to combine these two passions and start filling up your PayPal account? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to leverage the massive popularity of gaming, specifically Fortnite, to start putting some serious cash in your pockets. And don't worry if you're not a gamer yourself, you don't need to be. This method is all about sharing awesome gaming content with others who are hungry for it. Step 1. Dive into the world of Twitch. First things first, open up your browser and head to Google. Search for twitch.tv and click on the first link. Welcome to Twitch, the ultimate playground for gamers and gaming fans. Once you're on Twitch, look for the Browse button at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a whole world of gaming categories open up before you. But we're not here to get distracted. We're here to make money. So let's focus on one of the biggest games out there, Fortnite. Why Fortnite? Simple. It has a massive following of over 89 million fans. That's 89 million potential clicks, my friends. And clicks equal cash in this game. Scroll through the Fortnite category and you'll see tons of videos from skilled gamers and creators. These videos are like gold mines, and we're about to learn how to tap into them. Step 2. Enter Oki.io, your money-making machine. Now here's where the magic happens. Open up a new tab and go to Oki.io. This website is about to become your new best friend. Oki.io is a platform that pays you for shortening links. Yeah, you heard that right. You can make money just by making links shorter. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up for a free account on Oki.io. 2. Find an awesome Fortnite video on Twitch. 3. Copy the link to that video. 4. Paste it into Oki.io and hit the shorten button. 5. Share your shortened link. 6. Ka-ching! You make money every time someone clicks on your link. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The amount you earn per click depends on where the person clicking is from. For example, a click from Germany might earn you $4, while a click from the United States could net you $4.10. And if you're lucky enough to get a click from Australia, that could be a sweet $5 in your pocket. People all over the world are using this method to make serious bank. We're talking hundreds of dollars a day for some folks. And the best part? Oki.io offers a ton of ways to get paid, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and even direct bank transfer. Step 3. Setting up your Oki.io account. Alright, let's get you set up on Oki.io. It's super easy. 1. Click the sign up button. 2. Choose a username. Make it cool, you're a moneymaker now. 3. Enter your email address. 4. Create a strong password. 5. Prove you're not a robot, unless you are, in which case that's awesome. 6. Hit that sign up button. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to see how many clicks your links are getting and how much money you're making. It's like watching your own personal money tree grow. Yo, are you feeling the vibe of this money-making method? If you're as pumped as I am, show some love by smashing that like button. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and that notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our next video. It might just be the one that changes your financial game forever. Now let's keep this money train rolling. Step 4. Crafting your money-making message. Now that you're all set up, it's time to start sharing those links. But here's the thing. You can't just spam your links everywhere and expect people to click. You need to be smart about it. I've got a little script for you that'll help you share your links in a way that people will actually want to click. Yo Fortnite fam, just stumbled across some insane gameplay that'll blow your mind. We're talking epic battles, crazy builds, and some serious pro strats. If you're looking to level up your game or just want to see some jaw-dropping action, you've got to check these out. Then insert your shortened links after that. Trust me, these videos are straight fire. Let me know what you think in the comments. See how that works? You're not just dropping links. You're getting people excited about the content. That's how you get clicks, and that's how you make money. Step 5. Spreading your links far and wide. Now you might be thinking, Alex, where do I share these links? Great question. One of the best places to start is gaming forums. Let's talk about a goldmine called forums.pcgamer.com. This forum is packed with gaming enthusiasts who are always on the lookout for awesome content. Here's how to make the most of it. 1. Sign up for an account on forums.pcgamer.com. 2. Look for threads about Fortnite. 3. Engage in the conversations. Ask questions, share tips, be a part of the community. 4. When it feels natural, share your links using the script we talked about earlier. Remember, the key here is to be genuine. Don't just drop links and run. Actually be a part of the community. The more people like and trust you, the more likely they are to click on your links. Step 6. Maximizing your earnings. All right, young money makers, let's talk about taking this to the next level. Here are some pro tips to supercharge your earnings. 1. Diversify your content. Don't just stick to Fortnite. Branch out to other popular games like Minecraft, Roblox, or whatever's trending. 2. Use social media. Share your links on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Just make sure to follow their rules about promotional content. 3. Create a schedule. Consistency is key. Try to post new links at the same time each day so your followers know when to expect fresh content. 4. Track your performance. Keep an eye on which links are getting the most clicks. This will help you understand what kind of content your audience loves. 5. Reinvest your earnings. As you start making money, consider using some of it to promote your links. This could help you reach even more people and earn even more. And there you have it, future millionaires. We've just unlocked a simple yet powerful way for you to start making money online. Let's recap what we've learned. 1. Find awesome gaming content on Twitch. 2. Use Oki.io to create shortened money-making links. 3. Share these links strategically on gaming forums and social media. 4. Watch the clicks and the cash roll in. Remember, this isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a consistent side hustle that can put extra cash in your pocket. Whether you're saving up for a new gaming console, trying to afford those cool sneakers, or just want some spending money, this method can help you get there. But here's the real secret. This is just the beginning. Once you've mastered this method, you'll have gained valuable skills in online marketing, content curation, and community engagement. These are skills that can open up even bigger opportunities down the road. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to turn your screen time into green time. Get out there, start shortening those links, and let's get this money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are always broke. They'll thank you later. And of course, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss our next video, trust me. This is Alex from WealthWalk, your guide on the path to financial freedom. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single click. Let's get walking towards wealth. Peace out, moneymakers.